Hi, welcome to another video. Today we have this iPhone 15 and see the customer is forget the screen lock. So if you also have this phone, this video is for you to how to recover this kind of phone. So we have to download 3U tool. You can get this one is on Google for free software, and then we have to take our phone on recovery mode. For now we have to plug in and then just switch off and keep holding up power button. Here, keep holding. Just keep holding. See here, now is our phone is on recovery mode now. On this, see here, we have to just go to flash. We just press here and see here now. They are showing us two software. This one I already download, but if you want this one, you can download it very easy. When you download finish, you just come here and go to quick flash mode and just go to flash and then just say flash. So our phone is going to be flashing now. Let's see. Here it can take like 20 minutes or 25 minutes to complete this 100%. When it's be 100%, our phone is be flash. Let's keep waiting. Now you can see is our phone is flash now, and that screen lock is removed now. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you in another video.